Cheddar Time Math Minute. So today we're going to look at coordinate planes. So a coordinate plane is where we actually graph these points to try to make pictures. Think about the video games you guys play. They actually use coordinate planes to move animated figures like this. But we're going to focus on the first quadrant because there's actually 4 quadrants on the coordinate plane, but we're just going to focus on the first one. So the big thing you need to know with a coordinate plane before we get started is what these lines are that go across it. So we have the x-axis that goes across the bottom. It goes left to right. And then we have the y-axis that goes up and down. So we have x-axis and y-axis. And so what we use is these things called coordinates. Make sense? We graph coordinates on a coordinate plane. So a coordinate is these 2 numbers that we use to find where we're going to be located. We first have the x-coordinate, and then we have the y-coordinate. And so we use these to graph our points. Now we always start at this point called the origin, which is 0, 0. It's where the x and y axis cross. And that's always going to be our starting point. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have the point 4, 5. So we want to know where is this going to be located on a coordinate plane. Well, we always look at the first number first. That's our x-coordinate. That tells us which direction to go, left or right. And so this way, it tells us we're going to go 4 units to the right. So we're going to move 4 units to the right, to the right, to the right. So we're going to go 4 to the right. Then from there, we're going to use the second number. That tells us up or down. So it's 5. So we're going to go 5 units up. Up, 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 up. And so that right there is where our 4, 5 will be located. So remember, the first coordinate is your x-coordinate. The second coordinate is your y-coordinate. The x-coordinate tells us left or right, which way to go. So we'll go to the right, starting at 0, 0. And then the second coordinate tells us how many units up we'll go. And so that's how you graph coordinate plane. Cheddar Time Math Minute out.